Hello friends, this is Shakeel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to show you how we can use a powerful AI tool called ChatGPT. First of all, I will open the Chrome, and here I will type the address of the website, that is chatgpt.com. I will press the enter and the website will open like this. Now here in the text box, I will ask the ChatGPT to create a story of 100 words of a robber fighting with police. So I will give the prompt, create a story of 100 words of a robber fighting with police. Okay, now I will press the up arrow. It will display a story of 100 words of a robber fighting with police. Now if suppose I want to create, I can also create an image. I want to create an image prompt for, I will first of all divide the entire story into different scenes, and will also ask you to make a image prompt for each scene. I will ask it divide the entire story into different scenes and write the image prompt for each scene. And now I will press the up arrow like this. Now look what has happened. It has divided the entire story into different scenes. This is the scene 1, and sorry, this is the scene 1, and this is the image prompt for the scene. This is the scene 2, and this is the image prompt for the scene 2. Similarly, this is the scene 3, and this is the image prompt of scene 3. This is the scene 4, last scene, and this is the image prompt for this scene. Now if I want to make an image of this scene 1, I can make the image of the scene 1, scene 2, scene 3 and scene 4. And for that I have to go to the another software that is called, I can make it in the Meta AI. I will open the another software that is called Meta AI. I will go Meta AI here. I will open the software, and here I will give the scene 1. This is the scene 1. I will type here the image prompt of the scene 1. I will copy here and I will paste it here. Look, I have pasted it here, and now I will press the up arrow. It will display the image according to this prompt. I will press the up arrow, and it will display at least it will display the 4 images. Now in the 4 images I have to select the 1 image. So this is the first image. I will click here. This is the image 1. This is the robber. This is the first image. I can also download it like this. I can also convert this image into video. If I will animate this, it will be converted into the video. It will take few seconds and it will be converted into the video. it is taking some time. Just, yeah, this is the this image one has been converted into the video. So I will go back. I can do one thing. I can press here, and I can also download this image. If I will go here, this image will be downloaded. This image has already been downloaded here. So I will go back. I will go here. Now similarly, I can create an image for the scene 2. This is the scene 2. Similarly, I will copy here this text. I will copy. I will go here, and I will cut here. Similarly, I will paste it here. Okay, now I will press the up arrow. Now here 4 images of the scene 2 will be created. Look, it has created a scene 2. What was our scene 2? The scene 2 was 10th Street corner, police officer in dark uniform confronting a masked robber, mid-swing, trash cans toppled, motion blue, showing the struggle. It is showing the struggle. Now I will go here. Now I will click here. This is the image 1, and I will convert it into video. Now it will take the 5 seconds. It will be converted into video. Look, it is showing this. It is showing the shuffle between the robber and the policeman. So I can save it here. I can download it, and then I can save it in a folder. I will go back. Now I will go back in the Chatgpt. I will create a new chat. Now I will ask it, now create a resume. I will ask it, create a diet plan for me. I will press the up arrow. Now it will create a diet plan for me. Now it will ask me your age, gender, height and weight, any health concerns I have, your daily routine. Yeah, I will ask it, my age is 45 years and my weight is 68 kg and height is 5.5. Okay, now here I will press the up arrow. It will display the diet plan according to my age. Okay, it has given me the morning, one wake up, 1 glass of warm water, and this 5 to 6 sugar almonds, 2 walnuts, good for heart and prostate health. This is breakfast, what I have to eat in the breakfast. This is the mid morning at 11 a.m. This is my lunch. This is the evening snacks, and this is the dinner. So it is before bed, 9:30 to 10 p.m. 1 cup warm milk, turmeric milk once or twice a week for immunity. These are the tips. Drink 2.5 to 3 liters water daily. Avoid excess sugar. These things it has suggested me. So now suppose I want to make a resume. It will also create a resume for me. Suppose I will give the prompt, create a resume for me as I want to apply as I want to apply for executive post in then it will create a resume for me. I have to press the up arrow. It will create a resume. Look, this is the resume. Name, phone number, my email ID, location. These are the career objectives. After that, it is a summary, professional summary. These are the key skills. So it has given me, these are the professional experience, my education, my personal details, and declaration here, my signature, and it is the date. So it has given me so many information. So whatever I need, whatever I will ask it to do, it will display the data according to my prompt. So I can also make this prompt. Suppose I want to go here, I want to go to the read aloud. It will read the whole information. It will read just like that. I will show you.
Got it. Let me create a professional resume for you, tailored to an executive position in a BPO. Here's a neat draft. You can copy into Word docs and format with bold headings, lines, or simple resume templates. Resume name: Shakeel Ahmad Misgar. Phone. Email: your email. Location: your city, state. Career objective: dedicated and result-oriented professional with strong communication and client handling skills, seeking the position of executive in a BPO, bringing experience in customer service, problem solving, and sales to contribute effectively to organizational growth and customer satisfaction. Professional summary: 5+ years of experience in client interaction, sales, and customer support. Proven ability to handle high-pressure situations.
But so whatever you will ask it, it will display the data according to that. You will ask it anything regarding about your medicine, regarding suppose you want to make a rent agreement. You can also ask it to make a rent agreement, your sale deed. Whatever you will ask it, it will display the data according to your prompt. So it is very important tool. So it is very interesting tool also. So you treat it as your friend. Whatever information, suppose you want to go to Mumbai and your budget is nearly 50,000 and you want to go to Mumbai for nearly 7 days, you will ask it for the travel plan. It will also display the travel plan according to your budget. So try this ChatGPT. If you don't know how to use the prompt, so there is another option. You can also use the voice option here. You can record your voice and it will display the data according to that. So I hope you like the information. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.